Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to sign up for Canva for free. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Now, once you launch the app, you can see on the screen there are few options you can sign up from, like continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, email, or other ways. I'm going to show you how to sign up with Google. Tap on continue with Google and select continue again. Then on your screen you can see you have to choose the account you want to continue with. Select the account you want to continue with and select continue again. Once you do that, it's going to take a few seconds, and on your screen you can see Canva is going to ask you what will you be using Canva for. Select student, large company, small business, or other options. Now you have to give the details it's asking you for. Now tap on continue. Once you do that, you can turn on the notifications or skip it. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for Canva using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.